wherever you are this morning, on your bed, by a window, outdoors, or somewhere new. Allow this moment to be exactly as it is. You don't need a mat. You don't need perfect posture. Just let your body be comfortable. Gently close your eyes, or keep them softly open, gazing at the light of the morning. Feel the air on your skin, the temperature, the quiet movement of a new day. There is nothing to do yet. Just arrive. Begin to notice your breathing without changing it. Notice where the breath moves most easily. The chest, the belly, or the nose. Each inhale welcomes the day. Each exhale releases what you no longer need. If the mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensation of breathing. You are not rushing. The morning is patient. Now slowly deepen your breath. Inhale gently into the belly. Let it soften and expand. Continue the inhale into the ribcage, feeling the sides of the body widen. Let the breath rise into the chest, light and spacious. Exhale slowly. Chest softens. Ribs release. Belly gently draws in. Breathe like this. Slow, steady, as if breathing with the rhythm of the sunrise. Nothing forced, nothing held. If it feels comfortable, we'll gently wake the body. Let the inhale be natural, and exhale softly through the nose, drawing the belly inward. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Keep it light, almost playful. If at any moment it feels like too much, return to natural breathing. Feel warmth building in the body, clarity in the mind. Now allow your breath to become smooth and even. Imagine breathing in through the left side of the body, cool, calming, and breathing out through the right, releasing, clearing. Next, inhale through the right, bright, energizing. Exhale through the left, soft, grounding. You can simply visualize this if your hands are resting. The breath knows where to go. Release all technique. Let the breath return to its natural flow. Notice the sounds around you. Birds, wind, distant life. Notice the light. How the day is slowly unfolding. You are breathing with the morning, not separate from it. Bring one hand to the heart, or simply feel gratitude inwardly. Ask yourself gently, how do I want to move through today? Let that intention settle into the breath. Inhale possibility. Exhale trust. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm breath with you into movement, into work, into travel, into life. The morning stays with you. Wherever you go, remain exactly where you are. Begin to notice the body from the inside. Sense the weight of your head, the ease of your shoulders, the quiet support beneath you. Without moving yet, let the body imagine waking. Imagine space along the spine, from the base to the crown. Notice any place that feels tight or sleepy or tender. You don't need to fix anything. Just noticing is enough. If it feels natural, invite the smallest movements. A soft roll of the shoulders, a gentle tilt of the head. Slow, intuitive, unplanned. Move as if you're still half dreaming. Let the body lead. Let the mind follow. Now begin to let breath and movement meet. As you inhale, allow the chest to lift slightly, the spine to lengthen. As you exhale, soften back into ease. If seated, you might sway gently forward and back, side to side. If lying down, feel the breath move the body for you. There's no right way to do this. This is your body remembering itself. Each breath is a small stretch from the inside. Let the movement fade. Bring attention back to stillness. Begin a slow scan of the body, starting at the feet. Notice the toes, the soles, the heels. Feel the ankles, the calves, the knees. Move awareness upward through the thighs, the hips, the lower back. If you notice sensation, warmth, or tingling, welcome it. This is energy waking up. Continue through the belly, the chest, the upper back. Notice the shoulders, the arms, the hands. Finally, the neck, the jaw, the face. Soften the space behind the eyes. Let the forehead be smooth. Your whole body is now invited into the day. Now turn awareness toward the mind. Notice what's present this morning. Thoughts, expectations, anticipation, or quiet. Whatever is here, allow it. You don't need to sort it out yet. Imagine the breath moving through the mind like a soft breeze. Inhale clarity. Exhale mental clutter. If worries appear, acknowledge them gently and let them pass like clouds. This time is not for problem solving. It's for arriving. Bring awareness back to the breath. Feel how naturally it flows now. You are breathing without effort. Notice how the body feels compared to earlier. More awake, more grounded, more here. Sense your connection to this day. The same air you breathe is breathed by others waking across the world. The same light touches many lives. You are part of something moving, unfolding, beginning. Let that connection feel supportive. Now let everything settle. No techniques, no guidance, just being. If it helps, repeat silently with the breath. I am here. I am ready. I trust this day. Let these words dissolve into feeling. Confidence doesn't need force. It arises from presence. Begin to sense the space around you again. The room, the light, the sounds. Wiggle the fingers, the toes, slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Notice how the world looks after taking this time. Carry this steadiness with you. You don't need to rush. The day will meet you, one breath at a time. Take one last deep, full inhale, filling your belly, ribs, and chest. And let it release completely, letting go of anything heavy or unnecessary. Gently bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your hands, the touch of your feet, the connection of your body to the space around you. Notice the quiet energy rising within, the soft glow of morning filling your mind and heart. Place a hand on your heart, or simply feel the pulse of your own life, and silently thank yourself for this moment of calm and clarity. Carry this gentle energy with you into movement, into your day, into wherever your journey takes you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. breathing with the world around you, aware, awake, present, and ready to begin your day.